This rasmalai recipe is so easy that you will never buy it from a sweet shop again. You can make the softest, smoothest, fluffiest rasmalai right at home. With just a few simple ingredients and my perfect technique, it's easier than you think. No cracks, no breakage, just melts in your mouth with perfection in every single bite. Stay tuned till the end for the secret tips. Your rasmalai game is about to change forever. It is widely believed to have originated during the Mughal period, possibly in the royal kitchens of Bengal, and was initially a delicacy for the elite. Let's make this royal treat right at home in just few steps. Take 1.5 or 2 liters of milk and adjust the flame to medium and bring it to a boil. Now by dividing the milk into two parts, let's take half a liter of milk and put rest of it aside. Take handful of almonds and chop them roughly into slices. Heat up half a liter of milk and add 2 pinches of saffron. Add chopped almonds and keep stirring. Once the saffron color starts to appear, add half a cup of sugar to the milk. Now take 10 to 12 pods of cardamom, remove the peel and grind it into a smooth powder. Add the cardamom powder to the milk and keep stirring. Once the milk slowly starts to reduce in quantity, turn off the flame. Make sure the milk is runny, not thick. Take a full lemon juice and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. Now divide the diluted lemon juice into 3 parts as shown in the video. Now take rest of the milk that was set aside and heat it. And add first part of diluted lemon juice. Slowly stir and give a 30-second gap. Now add second part of the diluted lemon juice and give it a stir. You can notice the lump starts to form, so gently give it a stir and give a 30-second gap. This step is crucial for having rasmalai a sponge-like texture, soft, smooth and fluffy. Now add the third part of the diluted lemon juice and gently give it a stir. Now you can see the cottage cheese is completely formed. Now gently gather the cottage cheese. Now take a clean cloth and drain the water. Now gather the edges of the cloth and squeeze the excess water by applying gentle pressure. Make sure you only squeeze the excess water. Make sure you don't squeeze too much water, which will make the cottage cheese become dry. Once the water stops dripping, remember to apply only gentle pressure and drain the excess water. Now take the cottage cheese and just crumble and knead it for 4 to 5 times in this way. Now take small portions of cottage cheese and make soft round balls and apply a gentle pressure in order to make it flat. Now in a bowl add 1 cup of sugar for 2 cups of water. Let the sugar melt completely in the water. Once the water starts to boil, add the cottage cheese balls into this sugar water. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now close the lid and cook it for 4 to 5 minutes. Once done, remove the rasmalai from the boiling hot water and place it in an ice cold water. Now gently squeeze the rasmalai. Don't apply too much pressure which results in breakage. This step is only to remove the excess water. Do not make it flat or make it dry. Now add rasmalai in the saffron milk and serve it cool. You can notice the rasmalai starts to absorb the saffron milk. Let the rasmalai soak in the saffron milk for at least 4 to 5 hours. Please like, share, subscribe and turn the bell notifications on for more such delicious recipes. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how did it go.